Hello, my name is Dave Rowland, President and CEO of the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance. I'm here again with our weekly manufacturing update to help companies and workers start focusing on how you can come back strong as the economy begins to open back up. First, let's talk about how your company intends to come out of this crisis stronger than ever. Here at the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance, we're already talking to a lot of manufacturers across the state about their recovery plans. We want to hear from you as well. To start the process, we're asking all Oklahoma manufacturers to take our quick 6-question recovery survey. The information you share will improve our ability to provide you the specific support you need right now to not just recover, but grow your company. Your response to the survey are anonymous and completely confidential. You can find a link to the survey on our website at www.okalliance.com. Secondly, I'd like to announce an important program we are developing called Supplier Scouting. In May, the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance will launch its new program to help match your supply chain needs to specific product or processes at the local, state, regional, and national level. Oklahoma manufacturers will be able to work with their local manufacturing extension agents to identify a specific process or product they need manufactured. The Manufacturing Alliance will then work with our statewide and nationwide networks to scout manufacturers who can fulfill your needs. Just as important, this Supplier Scouting program gives you and all Oklahoma manufacturers the opportunity to include your name and capabilities if you want to be considered as a supplier for the supply chain pipeline regionally or nationally. So watch for more information on our website later this week as we officially launch the Supplier Scouting program. So as we all begin to move into recover and reentry mode, remember that the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance is here to help you succeed by answering your questions and helping you find the resources you need. Thanks again for your time and for everything you're doing for Oklahoma and our industry. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.